from the curves. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
Morning. Party too much last night and can't wake up. I try to tell her, say sleep on vacation is not important. You gotta spend the time and enjoy yourself. So we're about to begin day 2. And the sleep was good. The bed is nice. Okay, so I woke up, I tried to catch the sunrise. And I caught a little bit of it. But we're about to begin day 2 of day 1 of our couples retreat. We had night 1 last night and we were up talking with some other couples and just laughing and sharing some experiences. And we are supposed to have a full day of activities starting at 7:45. That's the AC. But yeah, we're supposed to be having a full day of activities and I'm looking forward to it. I'm going to get changed, get ready and show you a little bit more of the place. Holiday Inn. Lovely, sweet this is. And I got my sweet beside me in the suite. Cufflinks fam, we are on the beach.
Yeah, we had breakfast and full and feeling good.
Yeah, we just had our first meeting with the other couples. So we had 3 new couples this time around.
Yeah.
About 10 couples or 12 couples. And we had a devotion and then we had introduction and we had some pictures.
Some of them we can't show.
We're not gonna be showing you. But just seeing other couples, hearing their stories, it gives hope, it gives confidence, it gives a recognition that we are all in this thing together and no one story is unique. Some people were passing and they were just really saying, yeah, power couples, So I think it's important that we highlight that we are powered by God, which is what the shirt says.
Yeah, power couples powered by God.
Yeah, it's not of our own. So we appreciate the fact that we can inspire others or even make others smile. So yeah, I'm gonna head to the pool now and splish, splash, sploosh. Bria would say, Google, kush.
Listen, I miss the girls. Every time I pass the playground or when we were in the room last night and we turned on the TV. What was on the TV? Some cartoon, something. I was like, oh.
The dog game.
Yeah.
Dog patrol.
Paw Patrol. Yeah, but it's nice to have some time away. But naturally, as I can't talk for Brian, but naturally I miss them. But I know they're in good hands, so that's a plus, and they're enjoying themselves. But yeah. You miss them?
Of course. Yeah, Bell especially.
Yeah.
But it's just our time now, and it's important for couples out there. There comes a time where you need to let go and enjoy yourself. Let the kids get some time for themselves.
Why Bell especially?
I think Bria
has
big
been.
Man. Yeah. Bria big man.
Yeah, and Bria has experienced a whole lot of hotels.
Bella's
Bella
locked up
not
for 2
so
years.
much.
And I know she would be all over the place right now.
Yeah, so trying to play catch up with Bella.
I'm crying for 2 more minutes, just 3 more minutes.
3 more minutes. Yeah, but we'll try to get in a lot of beach and so during the summer as much as possible.
Couples time. You know, we're gonna do the do. You know, we're gonna.
Alright guys, so we'll take you along.
Nowhere is off limits.
And we have a piece of balcony there.
Balcony!
Because we're up in the presidential suite, which is the highest room, the top room at the hotel. And it has a balcony right around the corner, right around the floor, whatever you want to call it, at the top. But yeah, it's really nice. Surprisingly, I wasn't expecting all of this, to be honest. The room is nice, as you saw. The room is very, very nice.
Thank you, Holiday Inn.
Thank you, Holiday Inn, for having us. I was pleasantly surprised and enjoying ourselves so far. By the way,
and the view.
Last night we were saying that we had to walk up the stairs. There's actually an elevator. We were just the persons who couldn't find it.
Listen,
so yes,
I walk up 4 flights of stairs
to the 6th
with 5 bag sweat.
Who couldn't find the elevator.
Up, and there's an elevator.
Yeah, so that was our fault, not the fault of the hotel. There actually are elevators here. So yeah, we're gonna go and have some pool time and go and enjoy ourselves. Yeah, alright.
And then we may have some me time. I'm gonna go away from her because it's important that you take with yourself sometimes. Even as a couple, you have to have individual time.
But now look upon him. Anyways, let's go.
It's all up in my life. Can't give me space. Sometimes we never realize how we are being corrupted by society and life. Proverbs 4:23 says, above all else guard your heart, for everything you do flows from it. Jeremiah 17:9 says, the heart is deceitful above all things and desperately wicked. Who can know it? Matthew 15:19, for out of the heart come evil thoughts, murders, adulteries, fornications. Your heart? No, sir. We're all outraged when we hear about what's happening in Jamaica. See how people wicked in. But I asked somebody recently, I say, yeah man, I'm true now. What if somebody say for your toe now? Say for what? Especially if you have on a new shoes or a new socks or something what your treasure.
Or a class.
Or a class.
Yes.
Yeah. Something what your treasure. No matter who we are. Pastor, maybe preaching a service, any of the pastors, and you go home and somebody rub you the wrong way and you never realize you respond out of anger. We have to guard our heart. The next thing is the tongue. The tongue. Not just for French kissing. the tongue. My wife and I had a kick-off early in our relationship. She asked me for a bottle of ketchup in the house. I'm saying in the cupboard, babe. And she come back and she said, I don't see it. I say it in the cupboard, babe. She come back and she said, I don't see it. I'm going in there and say, look it in the cupboard. I'm going to pull the cupboard and I said, see the ketchup there. And she said, babe, I searched the whole of the cupboard. I'm 6'1", I was looking in the cupboard up there. She's 5 flat and she was looking in all the cupboard that she could reach. And it caused an argument because me I tell her, I said, you can't look, you can't look and you see it in the cupboard. But tell her, say it in the cupboard.
You never talk to me.
No, I never say it like
It's
that.
extra.
But I was annoyed that she wasn't finding it in the cupboard. The tongue. We often say sticks and stones can break my bones, but words can never hurt me. Matthew 15 verse 18, what comes out of the mouth proceeds from the heart. Interesting correlation, we just look at the heart. Sometimes we have to be careful. Oh baby, I love you, babes, say are the sweetest things in sliced bread. And then 2 tools. Baby can't come off of your phone, every minute you're on your phone, so and so and so. I'm not talking about my wife.
Or them accused.
Whoever is guilty, I mean, let's look at our own lives. But I'm just saying, whoever guards his mouth preserves his life. Sometimes we need to guard our mouth in our relationships to preserve the life of our relationship. So the next time you're going to respond to your spouse, think about it. If it's not giving grace, if it's causing them hard to race, and if it's causing them to want to thump you in your face, let us not say it. Proverbs 18:19, a brother who has been insulted is harder to be won than a walled city, and arguments separate people like the barred gates of a place. Sometimes we're in the same space, but we're not in the same place because we've insulted our partner. Consider what a great forest is set on fire by a small spark. The tongue also is a fire. How about we using that fire to set the lives of our partner on fire and make them hard to race? Verses, we say something to make them feel like it burn them. Mark 9:45, if your foot causes you to stumble, cut it off. It is better for you to enter life lame than having your 2 feet be cast in hell. Sometimes it's not our literal feet, so don't bother me now. I see next year we come and somebody is. Yeah? Yes. Brother Brian, I remember you said last year, you know. The feet can be the thoughts that we have. We need to cut off some of these thoughts because they may be the things that is bringing down our relationships.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.